Hello there, welcome back to episode number 3 of Draw, Paint, and Meditate. So I thought I'd go in a different direction today, and I wanted to read a quote by Eleanor Roosevelt. And as I read the quote, just try to find yourself in the midst of this quote. Think about at what place you are maybe needing to think a little more deeply about your life. Okay? Here's the quote. It's your life. It's your life. But only if you make it so. The standards by which you live must be your own standards, your own values, your own convictions in regard to what is right and wrong, what is true and false, what is important, and what is trivial. It's your life, but only if you make it so. The standards by which you live must be your own standards, your own values, your own convictions in regard to what is right and wrong, what is true and false, what is important, and what is trivial. So I thought today we could maybe visit this idea of self-portrait. And so what I mean is I've found a figure that is more of a generalized looking woman, but I invite you to bring more of yourself into the drawing. And as we go forward, I would like you to just think on these words and about your life, and maybe even an area in your life that you really need to claim back for yourself. So as always, I am showing you what this would look like on an 11 by 14 piece of paper, but because we are on a video screen, I usually go larger just so that you are able to see it better on your end. If you prefer, because we're doing a person, go ahead and use a pencil and then make a dotted line down the middle, and then going up and down, and then left to right. That's my book falling down, excuse that. So this is the time, as we are drawing together, to either sit in the silence or bring in your own music, or even use this as a meditation time where you're just alone with your thoughts, gathering back to this one single question. What area of your life do you need to reclaim as your own? So here's a rendering of my woman. Yours will look different, or maybe it looks similar to mine. And as you notice, even as I made changes, it's really about the process in art, but also the process in life, right? That it will be messy. That when I look at this, I see peace. And I so sincerely hope that as you are doing these drawing exercises with me, that you are finding that same type of peace. Thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure and like and share, subscribe, ring the notification bell if you want to make sure and keep up with what we're doing over here on the channel. I also just posted my first drumming circle video, how to get started. So make sure and check that out as well.